Good morning, everyone. My name is Bhavlal Gumawat, final year student of Fire Technology and Safety Engineering Department in IPS Academy, Indore. Today, we all are gathered here for the major project. Our project is Automatic Railway Safety System Against Fire under the guidance of Assistant Professor Ramji Singh Prajapati, and the name of my group member is Akash Namdev, Ashish Dubey, Pradyuman Sharma, Hitesh Asawara, and Vipin Rai. This is the content of our project. Introduction, causes of fire in 10, main parameter of coach fire, structure and function of the sensor node, Zigbee technology, application of Zigbee wireless sensor network in fire detection system, fire alarming system, control of fire accident, process overview, calculation, conclusion and references. Introduction. For a longer distance, we all know that most of the person traveling from one place to another place by railway because it is a very cheaper and comfortable as compared to other, and our Indian railway network is the world second largest railway network. But if any fire accident occur in a train, then it is a very dangerous to human life as well as government property. That's why we choose this project. Under this project, we added some new technology to control the fire in railway coaches. Causes of fire in train: carrying gas cylinder, kerosene oil, petrol, firework, etc. in passenger train, carelessly thrown light, matchstick, and cigarette, and short circuit in electrical wiring in AC coach, blast of pantry gas cylinder. Current scenario: if we talk about the current situations in railway coaches, randomly check of luggage by railway police, do not smoke, do not carry flammable material are notice given to the person, fire extinguisher are available in new coaches. What we purpose? Our purpose is to add new technology to control the fire: automatic alarm system, Zigbee wireless sensor network, automatic water sprinkler.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritesh Saura. So what we have proposed in our project, automatic railway system against fire, automatic alarm system, Zigbee wireless sensor network, automatic water sprinkler system, automatic alarm system which alert the pupils and passenger, and Zigbee wireless sensor network which enables to driver to stop the train in case of emergency, and automatic water sprinkler system which we have provided to extinguish a fire in a train and in a compartment by using a water as extinguishing media. Now next, the main parameters of coach fire monitor. So basically the fire can occur by three factors: heat, oxygen and fuel. When these three parameters comes, there fire can occur. So the in a train compartment, a deteriorated insulations on electrical wire causing a short circuit, and carelessness of smokers activities in the compartment which may also can cause fire in a compartment, and illegal use of gas stoves and like coffee tea vendors also leads to the fire, and ignition source gives ignition source, and some antisocial activities which may can cause fire. So these are the main parameters of coach fire monitors. Now next, so the structure and function of the sensor node. So the sensor is the main parameters for the wireless network, and it composed by the sensor module, sensor process module, Zigbee wireless module, and driver display module. So the sensor modules senses the temperature and relative humidity, and it gives a signal to the driver by through a Zigbee wireless network, and enable to driver to stop the train. So the how it work, how it what with the functions of this sensor module sense the temperature, and in a process module it can calculate the temperature range and humidity range, and which allows to automatic sprinkler system to activate it and to alert the pupils also by using alarm system. And by using a Zigbee wireless network, it gives a signal to the driver, and it can indicate by the red or green indicator light. If the green line is changed to the red, and then he can stop the train and it can also Zigbee wireless network is also can be used we used by nearest railway station to enables persons to that any kind of emergencies occur in a particular place by using a Zigbee network. So, what is the Zigbee technology? Zigbee is considered as a path for a suitable high-level communication protocol. Basically, it is a wireless network which enables the person to transmit the signal from one place to another place without any using a wire, like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Zigbee is a very low power consumption wireless network, and also it is a very low cost network, and it is based on standard IEEE 802 standard of for personal area networks. And Zigbee is very useful for and because of its cheapness, it is very cheap and it is used very low power consumption. Now, so the Zigbee network allows the three types of three factors like coordinators, Zigbee routers, and Zigbee end devices. With all these three comprises with a particular Zigbee networks like Zigbee coordinators. It organizes the network and maintain the routing tables, and Zigbee routers can talk to the coordinator and to the other routers and to reduce the function end devices, and the end devices can talk to the routers and to the coordinator but not to each other. So this is the Zigbee network which we have used for a Zigbee wireless network to enable driver. Now, fire alarming system. So basically we have using a thermocouple type temperature detector. So this detector gives a signal to the alarm system which activated, and it gives a signal alertness to the passengers and driver. And also there is a alarm system is provided external and internal of the coach, and when the temperature sensors trigger, and it alerts the coaches to make the pupil alert and wake up who are sleeping. So this is show the layout of the train. In a layout of a train, you can see the all the arrangement. This is the coach of train. You can see the water tanks. The water tanks is connected to the sprinkler line and emergency water line, which is connected to the water sprinkler system. And there are sensors which is activated and which is attached in a particular coach. This temperature sensor is based on the thermocouple sensor which monitors the temperature and which gives a signal to the alarm system to alert the pupil and passengers. And you can see the entrance and exit point, and these are the seats of passengers. And whenever a fire can occur in a particular coach, the sensor has detected the fire, and it gives a signal to the alarm system which can alert the pupil. And by using a Zigbee technology wireless network, it can enable the driver to stop the train, and also it can enable the nearest railway station to giving information that it can there is a fire and emergency occur at a particular place in between the particular nearest railway stations. And Zigbee is also ensure that the water sprinkler system should be activated, and it can extinguish the fire in a particular coach.
Hello, my name is Akash Namdo, and I'm going to explain further. So the next point is control of fire accident. How we are going to control the fire accident inside the compartment of a train. So now you can see the diagram on your screen. There is a diagram. So when there is a fire inside the compartment, signal is transmitted to the driver, and once signal is transmitted to the alarm system inside the compartment, these two things work simultaneously. So as you see in the diagram, when there is a temperature increase inside the compartment, the temperature sensor sense that and transmit a signal to the driver device controller, as you see in the diagram, so that the driver inside the engine can detect in which course there is a fire and send a signal to the nearest railway station. And now we move further. So the next point is process overview. So in this project there are mainly three points. Number one is automatic alarm system, which alert all the passenger which is inside the train, and it also send a signal to the nearest railway station so the rescue work can happen. And number second is Zigbee wireless sensor network that we are going to use in it to transmit a signal from train compartment to the engine. And last one is automatic water sprinkler system, and it is the main part of our project, and it is pre filled with water and open during the fire in the compartment. Now we move further. So it is a simple block diagram how our project is going to execute. So as you can see, when there is a temperature increase in the compartment, so the sensor sense. So the three conditions are happen. Number one is it alert all the passenger inside the compartment. The second one is it transmit a signal to the driver through Zigbee technology. And number third is open the sprinkler bulb. Now we move further. So the three things again happen. So the number one is the people inside the compartment feels free, and number second is on the monitor it's sign in which coach there is in fire, and number third is there is water spray inside the compartment. So finally we came on this that the train can stop and fire also goes down, then stop. Now further explained by Mr. Pradyumna Sharma. So thank you very much.
Hello sir, my name is Pradyumna Sharma and I will take from here from Akash Namdev. These are the calculations of our major project, railway safety systems against fire. We have calculated the total fire flow from the reference of NFA formula. According to the NFA formula, flow in the GPM is area of the compartment divided by 3. So 75.5 is the length of railway coach in the feet, and 10 feet is the width of railway coach divided by 3. Then we have calculated 951.3 lpm water flow needed. Then we have take reference from IS 15105 to select the sprinkler head. There are 5 sprinkler head according to the different discharges. So we have selected 75 from 150 lpm discharge sprinkler head. This is the calculation of diameter of water storage. For calculating diameter of pipe of water storage, we have applied the formula of total volume, which is area into velocity. Now 0.951 is the total water needed in the meter cube, then area, then velocity, which is standard 4.5 meter per second. Now diameter has come 2.637 inch. 2.637 inch. In next slide, we have calculated distance between two sprinkler heads. Now if we want to calculate distance between two sprinkler heads, we have to calculate number of sprinkler heads first. So we have calculated number of sprinkler heads by discharge of total water and discharge from each sprinkler. So the total number of sprinkler have come 12 number of sprinklers. Now spacing between sprinkler heads is that we have divided total length of coach divided by total number of sprinklers. So total length of coach is 23.54 meters divided by 12 number of sprinklers. So spacing came 2 meter for between each sprinklers, between every two sprinklers. Now the pressure applied by water storage, which is gravity applied pressure. So we have tried to pressurize the water from gravity. So we have calculated the water storage. There is a standard formula to calculating water storage pressure according to the gravity, which is 0.433 into height in feet. Height in feet, so 0.433 into 17.40 and this height is from the ground level, because gravity is calculated from the ground level. Now it has come 7.5. In this last slide, we have calculated total water demand. uh, we have calculated total water demand to be stored in a railway coach for 90 seconds after adding safety factors, so that our total water requirement for 60 seconds is 951 lpm. So for 1 second we have divided it by 60, and for 1 second it has come 15.85 liter per minute. After multiplying by 90, we have calculated it for 1.5 minute, which has come 1500 1500 liter. After adding all safety factors, this water is sufficient to extinguish the railway fire, which is stable and passenger. In next slide, the conclusion comes. In conclusion, we have developed a wireless sensor Zigbee network, and this will help a lot to stop the on fire train immediately from the signal to the loco pilot. Our this approach finally give the advantage to safety system, weak safety system of Indian Railway, and give the flexibility to the to the sensing network of the railway. In other hand, we have also calculated fire water demand and sprinkler demand and sprinkler installation for the railway coach, which will extinguish the fires immediately after starting the fire. We have taken references from many books and many research papers like Zigbee Alliance and TAC and NBC and NFA. In the end, I will thank you from all. In the end, I would want to thank our all staff, our mentor Ramji Singh Prajapati sir, to help us a lot in this project.